customer, thank you for using the leaders design. In this video, I will introduce how easy, how simple to use this LCD selector to choose your specific message to display. It's very easy. You just press the numbers on this LCD selector, like I pressed 4 and OK, then display the first message, and I pressed 5. The next message will display on the screen. And you also can use the up and down to choose the message to display. Okay, this is very easy, very simple. It's what using like the bus, the school, the early public place. Thank you for watching this video. It's made by Hidden Leaders.